What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to manage and delete your viewing history on Netflix from your mobile device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While Netflix doesn't keep a traditional search history, it does track your viewing history, which influences your recommendations and continue watching row. However, you might want to clean up your continue watching list for privacy reasons or simply to refresh your recommendations. To remove titles from your continue watching list directly within the Netflix app, navigate to the title you want to remove. Tap on the three dots and then select Remove from Row. This action will immediately remove the selected title from your continue watching list. For a more comprehensive cleanup, including deleting your entire watch history, you'll need to use a web browser on your mobile device. Head over to netflix.com on your mobile browser and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner and select Account. Scroll down to the Profile and Parental Control section and choose the profile you wish to manage. Look for Viewing Activity under that profile and tap on View. Here, you'll see a list of all the shows and movies watched on that profile. You can hide individual titles by tapping the Hide from Viewing History next to each item or remove all viewing activity by selecting Hide All. Confirm your choice and Netflix will update your viewing history accordingly. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.